Hi again, all my crafty friends. If you are new here, I'm Dawn, and you have found Designs by Gaddis. If you enjoy DIYs, flips, and everything farmhouse, you are in the right place. On my channel, I love bringing you fun, simple, and affordable home decor DIYs on a budget. I picked up this little tray at a thrift store in Dahlonega, Georgia for $2. I had gone up to Dahlonega to help move my son back home for the summer. This was his freshman year at UNG. I used a screwdriver and removed the hangers from the back of this tray. So, I guess it was actually a picture, but when I saw it, I thought serving tray. Next, I had to remove the back off of the frame. The first thing I tried was using my Cricut scraper, and I gently began prying the back off. Once I had some space, I used my scissors to completely remove the back. I then used a pair of pliers to remove all the nails from the frame and from the backboard. I put some water in a bowl and added some Dollar Tree black acrylic paint. I haven't used any Dollar Tree paint, so I thought I'd give it a try. I mixed it well and began applying it to the frame. I was going for a gray stain look, like it had been out in the weather for a long time. I applied the mixture to the frame and then rubbed it off with a paper towel. And just look at that beautiful color. I really love how water and paint stain wood. I think it's so beautiful. I stained both the inside and outside of the frame with this mixture. Once I had dried all the stain with my hot air gun, I applied a messy layer of Waverly plaster paint. Like I said, I was going for a rustic, worn look, and I think I hit the frame out of the park. I love how it turned out. I really love the pattern on the bottom part, but it had a rip in the top corner. I tried ripping the edges and sanding the print, but just couldn't get it to look right. I was really disappointed because I wasn't going to be able to save this print. But then I remembered I had recently picked up one of the Simply Blessed calendars at Dollar Tree. Yes, I may be one of the only crafters who has not even opened this calendar yet. Well, that's because I finally found it about a week ago at my Dollar Tree, and it had been stashed in my car. I decided to go with the Enjoy the Little Things for the bottom of my tray. It was definitely a hard decision, but I hope to be able to use other pages out of this calendar soon. First, I painted over the print with Waverly plaster chalk paint and dried it with my hot air gun. I applied a layer of Mod Podge and then the calendar page. It did wind up with some wrinkles in the paper, but I thought it gave it character, so I didn't mind that much. I didn't like the color difference between the background and the paper, so I mixed some Waverly silver linings and plaster paint together until I thought it was a close match. I painted around the edges of the board and also the edges of the picture. Next, I used some Waverly Elephant paint and a chippy brush to distress the entire thing. And just look at that, I am so in love. It looks like they were made for each other. To protect and seal it, I applied another layer of Mod Podge to the top. Okay guys, I have no idea what happened to the footage of me reattaching the frame, but all I did was put Gorilla Glue on the side pieces and then use some small nails and nailed them in to hold everything together. And just look at this. I love the way it all turned out and couldn't be happier with the results. Let me know in the comments what you think of this little tray or picture. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Until next time, happy crafting!